gliding right now, or
we have no engines. We are totally a glider. Okay. Do you have stuff out your heads-up display?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Here, twist the rotary knob in the middle. This gray knob. Here.
Yeah.
Twist that to the right, counterclockwise.
All the way?
Yeah. So you see what you're seeing.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That square with wings and a tail is you.
Okay.
The diamond in the middle of it is guidance telling you where to fly.
Okay.
Basically, you need to follow that diamond and keep it in the middle of your square.
Okay.
You are flying.
Give me a quick look, Mike, over your left shoulder. Good job.
Yeah, so you want to pitch down just a smidge and then bank to the left just a smidge. So push down just a little bit smaller. That's good. And now bank to the left. So that's
Roll.
you just kind of tilt it to the left. Perfect. Okay, so in about 20 seconds. Okay, you banked it a little too far to the left. So go back. You can see the same thing with these wheels if he's following it properly. So in 3, 2, 1, park, go left. So keep hard left. More, and there. So basically we're doing like, we banked over about 30 or 40 degrees and we're making this spiral around the circle, which is actually a cone. We make a spiral around the cone to land. Now keep the nose up just a little bit. So good job.
What, striker?
Yeah. Just keep that diamond right in the middle of the square if you can. Nice. And you can see he's flying it pretty well. He's got the predictors all curled up around that square. You have 180 degrees of turn to go. So the runway is pretty much right behind us. We're faced out over the water right now. Good.
Like a video game.
I've never played video games, but it's a lot like it.
How many minutes to landing?
A minute.
All right.
Maybe two. So you have 90 degrees of turn to go.
Adrenaline going, Mike?
As you come around, you can almost probably see it out your left wing a bit. You're going to see the runway swing around in front of you. Anticipate rolling out to the right to get lined up on the runway. You can almost kind of lead the diamond to get there. Don't roll out too soon. You got to get the runway for you first. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, those two triangles that popped up, they're kind of facing each other. Try to stay in between them.
Okay.
Okay, roll right, roll right, roll right. More right, hard right. You can kind of overflow. So work your way back, good, and down. Down. Get between the triangles. Okay, this is going to look weird because you're like, why am I headed straight for the ground? But trust me, in the last 2,000 feet, we're going to change that pretty quickly. So keep between the two triangles. There's a switch here. If you can hit it once, you'll declutter the overlay, which might help. The switch on the lower left of the head. Push it down once. No, this one over, that one. Perfect. Okay, now stay between the triangles. And you're going to need to inch your way to the left here because you're not quite lined up on the right. Nice. Okay. And now back to the right because don't overfly it. Back to the right. More right. 2,000 feet. I am arming your gear. Now stay with the triangles because they're gradually pitching you up. Stay with the triangles and keep that runway in your sights. Okay, 300 feet. I'm deploying the gear. Nice. You want to park, no, don't get too high. Never get above the horizon. Park it like not on the runway, but at the far end of the runway. So nose up, up. You're almost down. Keep it up just a little more. You're gonna land here. One wheel, and then the other. Okay. Now, push the nose over. So just push, you're down. All the way down, all the way down. You'll feel it there. The nose is on the ground. Now it's not about the stick. It's all about the pedals.
Okay.
So you can pretty much shake hands off the stick and just use the pedals. The toes are your brakes, and more left or more right if you need to steer.
We're alive.
We are alive, and we're on concrete. A little more to the right pedal.
I wanted the control.
Get lined up on the center so nobody knows you need it off. A little more left. Perfect. And we're still 48 knots, so some more brake can stop us.
Yep.
It's a pretty long runway. It's like 50,000 feet, so you have 1,000 feet.
A lot of feet.
Good, good. First time landing.
Hey Mike, look over your right shoulder for me. And look into the camera. You just landed the space shuttle. What are you gonna do now?
I'm going to run a marathon.
Anybody have a watch besides me?
Quarter till.
Quarter till. Okay, so we will swap out here.